Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoi, again coming with a new video. Today's video is on sari and a mixed bag collection will be there. There will be silks will be there, of course, modal silk, badhni, that will be there also. Khadi, of course, there will be there. Resham check, not Resham kota, maximum, just a designer few pieces of Resham check I will show today. A mixed bag collection will be there. Tassar, of course, the one tassar I will also show. And the booking procedure, you know that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156441. Starting with first a beautiful pure silk, and this is 3-ply Mushirabad silk on which hand works batik is done. Beautiful multiple colors are there, and I think to wear this type of sari no age limit requires. Okay, anyone can wear this type of saris. Okay, so this is the first for today. I'm showing it properly. This is the front. Okay, the first, this is the palla, full works batik, no gap is there, floral. Okay, full works batik is there. This is the palla. Blouse piece will be running with this border in batik, and this is actually patli pallu in style in plates. This full batik again will be there. Okay, this will be in wax batik will be there in pleats as well as in palla, and this is the look of the sari. Okay, this is the first one for today. It is in the range of 4350. 4350, it is previous range. Actually, I am giving some pieces which are in previous range, but the new pieces in new scenario, maximum pieces will be 4550 and onwards. So, okay, whether it is 3-ply or whether it, of course 3-ply for it, and whether it is Mushidabad silk or Vishnupur silk. Moving towards another hand painted beautiful 3-ply Mushidabad silk. This is the second one, and the piece, I think it is too designer in way. See, this is sunflower is there throughout the sari. This is the palla. I am showing the palla first. So how beautiful style, and this is very much, what can I say, modern style. Border is there. It is very smart. Okay, this is the palla. This will be the blouse piece with the border will come, and this will all over the sari. In both side, this border will come. Full sari. Okay, black beauty it is. This will be the pleats. Okay, so this is the full look of the sari. This is 4350. 4350 for this one. Again, it is in the last month's rate. In from this month, the rate increasing. Moving towards next, pure tassar, zari border tassar, and in all case, in all of this, the silk mark must be there. Okay, pure tassar, zari border tassar, pure tassar. It is not at all. It is semi tassar or that. No, it is pure tassar on which hand block, zari border hand block, beautiful piece. And this color, I think, shoots differ any age limit. No age limit is there for this type of sari. Just a minute, I am adjusting the this. See, this is the palla with multicolors. These are all zari weaves. See closely. This is zari weave alternately. Okay, 3 colors, 3 to 4 colors are there. This will be the contrast. Peach pink is the color for this blouse piece with zari border, and throughout the body I want to show you the block closely. How beautiful and very decent sober block. Tassar always, I think it is the, what can I say, this is the sober, to me it is the sober form of sari. Beautiful piece, beautiful texture with silk mark. 5450. 5450. This is the full look. Okay, now moving towards next. In next I will show you pure modal silk bandage. Okay, pure modal silk bandage, and it is actually you have to just press it or iron it before you. Actually, you can understand why it is pure. See, this thread indicates that it is pure bandage. That is the main thing for this type of sari, and I am showing you how beautiful it is. It will be, of course, blouse piece is there, red. Okay, see, this bandage, these are not open. You have to just iron it before you wear. It will be in this format. Okay, see the palla. What a piece with this type of zari borders, broad zari border is there. This is the full sari, no gap is there. Full sari bandage, running blouse piece, and in blouse piece also this border will come. 2850. 2850 pure modal silk bandhage. This is the first color. Two more colors are there. I want to show you the second one, royal blue. All three colors to me, I am just, if you give me this three of them, I will take. Okay, it is, I love this type of sari. Modal silk actually, another very smart sari. If you like to wear pure, and at that case, and if you have to go any party, not any wedding function, I will tell you that office wear, office party if there, this, if any function, you can wear it throughout the day as well as for any party. This is the blouse piece. This is the full look. This is the palla all over the sari. Pure bandage. No gap is there all over. I am showing you full sari. See, pure modal silk bandage 2850. And the third color, and I think if you have budget within 3000 and you are planning to buy for upcoming Durga Puja, Diwali, we need actually minimum 4 to 6 saris for those days, for festival dates. I think you can stock one by one from this month easily, because this is June, just July, August and September, 3 months left before puja. So aha, what a color. See, I stop my, see, this is the green, mehndi green. Mehndi green bandage. Same price 2850. Just don't miss it. Grab it as fast as possible. Moving, all three are, these are limited. Always these are not prepared. Okay, it will take time. So now I have all three. If you want, you can order it for. Moving towards the next one. Again, Resham check with Parsi embroidery, full Parsi embroidery with sequins. It's a designer wear, just a designer piece. I have to show you. See, pure cotton resham check. This is not resham kota. Don't yeah, just I gave the comparison previously. This is again the same. See, this is pure cotton, no mix up is there. This is piping border. I want to just show you the detailing. This is full handwork, full handwork is there, and sequence work is there on the palla. Okay, and full body, uh, yes, just a minute, yes, full body, this type of work will come throughout the body. Throughout the body this work will be there. This is the palla, and yes, blouse piece is there, of course, separate 1 meter dobby cotton blouse piece on which this handwork will come. So this is the full look of the sari. Isn't it beautiful? 2350 only. Start your puja shopping at first as possible. We are ready. Just go. New stocks are coming in each day as puja is coming, festive season is coming. So we have to stock premium ranges products. So you also start your puja shopping. I think it will be better. You can purchase one sari each month easily, so that your festive season is just See, another the same type of work, red piping border, but the work will be different in each and every sari. This work will not be same. The same embroidery will not be there. All will be different from each other. And see, this is the body. In full body, this type of small flower bouquet are embroidered, and this is the palla, and with these same color, okay, same color blouse piece is there. Okay, this is the full set, and this is the full look of the sari. Okay, this is 2350. Now moving towards another beauty, and it is of course a beauty. Uh, Pure Jamdani, pure cotton Jamdani. It is pure cotton Jamdani. No mix up is there, nothing. On which hand Madhubani painting is done. I think those who have idea about Madhubani painting, they know that in whatever format it is done, it is always uh, a tedious work, as well as it is a costly work. And or if the material is pure Jamdani, then I think it will be something special. And yes, Jamdani blouse piece is there also. See the color, it is chandan color, or you can say tasar color, body tasar body color with this red Jamdani border in both sides. This is full Jamdani palla. It is not hampered anyway. Okay, see, this is the painting all over the body, no gap is there, all over the painting. Just arrived this. See the painting closely. See, this is the painting. Okay, and in upper part, see the painting. Pure Madhubani painting is done on Jamdani. Something special when you are talking about cotton only, then this can be your choice. In blouse piece, 1 meter blouse piece, on which also this painting will be there. You can use it on your backside as well as in your sleeves. I think you can use it in back, it will be better. See, this is the border. 2980 for this beauty. 2980. Exclusive piece, single piece, it will not be repeated. Next copy will not be available. So it will take, no, not take, I can't assure you taking time, but this is seriously just a beauty. Moving towards khadi. In case of khadi also, a number of pieces are there. The first one, pure khadi cotton ikat weaving, as well as this type of just weaving embroidery. See, I am showing you. This is a colorful one. A multicolor is there, as well as simple sober all over the sari. This ikat weaving in both sides, this is weaving. Okay, and this type of embroidery, not actually, this comes in weaving, not embroidery, it comes in weaving like this. This is the palla, pure khadi cotton. This is the blouse piece. Throughout the body this comes. Okay, 1080. Just grab it, single color right now available. 1080. Moving towards next, another beautiful khadi. Few more, just few pieces of khadi I will show today, because I have a number of pieces to show in semi silk also. Chanderi silk, Chanderi cotton silk is there, different varieties there. Bafta is also there, I will show you. This is another khadi. Just ladybug. See, pure khadi cotton, sleek border, silver weaving border in both sides. This is the palla, blouse piece will be running with the same weaving, and this is all over, not at all embroidery or print. This is fully weaving. I am showing you the back, then you have an idea. See, this is weaving. Okay, this is not at all any print. This is weaving all over the side with blouse piece. 950, 950 for this beauty. Now moving towards, yes, few more khadis are there today. I'm just showing as fast as possible. 930. Prices are rising, so those who are planning to buy, please do as fast as possible, because the same sari will be in the range of 1,000 or more in the next month. Okay, khadi all over star weaving. Star weaving is there, beautiful color. It is not exactly what can I say, bright blue. This is a separate tone. It is also blue. The weaving comes here like this way. This will be the running blouse piece all over the side. 930. Okay, now moving towards few pieces of first chanderi semi silk, or these are called semi linen. Semi linen chanderi, very soft pieces, summer friendly. You can easily wear it in summer, no problem will be there, as well as you will not feel anything. That is another thing. It is very soft. Okay, these are also called bhagalpur chanderi or semi linen. Actually, with linen thread, cotton thread is maximum in portion in this type of sarees, and batik is done. Okay, batik is pure. This is the palla. Sleek zari border is there all along the sari. This is the blouse piece. Throughout the sari, this is simple, sober, elegant. Okay, 1250. 1250. This is the first color. Two more colors I will show. The second color, it's just a beautiful color. I'm showing you. It is same Bhagalpur linen or semi linen, whatever you call it. This is pink, and this pink is so sober and beautiful. Not baby pink, not bright hot pink. It is a beautiful sober pink with batik. This will be the blouse piece throughout the saree. This color 1250. This is the second color. Moving towards the third one, chocolate. Not chocolate. It is rust. It is rust. Just I am showing all three colors. I think I choose the sarees in such way so that everyone can wear it. That will not only for teenagers, that will not only for the aged people, everyone. Whatever your age is, you can, I think, wear this. This is the work will be different in wax batik. The work will be different in each side. This is the blouse piece throughout the saree. This is going on. Okay, this is the same range. Now moving towards few pieces of dhania khali, as I am showing in all my videos. Few dhania khali must be there, and these are too soft, pure cotton dhania khali, checked dhania khali on which applique is done. Always special, always beautiful. See, this is the piece. 1480 is the price now. All over, like these are foil mirror, I think. No, real mirror with applique work. See, this is the palla. All over the body it is checked dhania khali cotton on which this applique work. No blouse piece in this type of sari. No blouse piece comes. I am showing you closely. This is the checked pure cotton sober one. Simple, sober, pure cotton. Those who like to wear only cotton, don't miss dhania khali. If you don't have any idea about dhania khali cotton, you can like Google. You can have an idea how famous it is. Bengal is famous for its taat and for its cotton. You know that as South cotton is very famous, same as usual, this Bengal cotton always famous. Moving towards the next, pure dhania khali, soft cotton. See, I am holding the full sari in my grip. It will not at all. So beautiful quality, slick. The body color is just a beige one. Or just one side broad border. These are all weaving. This is weaving also. This kolka motifs, these are weaving in both sides. One side sleek border, one side broad border. This is the beauty. Okay, just nothing is there, but everything is there. 1540 for this beauty. Another color for the same again arrives. Previously I just sold at least 8 to 10 pieces for the same color. The same color I just sold a number of pieces, same price range. Still now it was previous, yes, 1580 I think previous range is. Now it is 1540. Okay, no, I am holding it just opposite. The broad border will be in the lower side and the sleek will be in the upper side. Slate color, ash slate with this maroon border. See the weaving. Kolka weaving is there all over the side. Okay, just a beauty, don't miss it. Same range as the previous one. Another beauty, and it is also, I sold at least 10 to 15 pieces minimum, and always again I have to stock. It's other bright color formats are available in market also, but I think to me this uh, creamish or white background, this weaving is more beautiful than the other one. Just, and there is handloom mark, that's why it is a little bit higher. See, handloom mark is there also. See the piece, I'm just showing you. See, all over bird weaving is there, no blouse piece. In all the dhania khalis, no blouse piece is there. See the weaving, this is weaving, okay, all over the sari, no gap is there. Full sari with handloom mark, 1680. 1680 for this beauty. I think those who know what is hand weaving is, they will appreciate this type of work. Another dhania khali I want to show, because in maximum cases when it comes for designer dhania khali or any, I think when the canvas is white, we can draw different paintings easily. That's the case in case of this sari, and in maximum of them white is the background, because it is acting like a canvas. When the painter just painted this type of, say, Photochitro painting on it, then I think to him or her this is the canvas. So this is the painting, all over this Photochitro painting is done all over the sari, no blouse piece. I think for this type of saris you can wear just any single color blouse, whether it is yellow, whether it is red, whether it is green, magenta, you can experiment with it any way, but it is a beauty. 1580 for this beauty. Moving towards, few more khadis are there, and this khadi, it is simple, sober, just stripe border, chocolate. It is dark chocolate. It is not at all black. It is dark chocolate in color, all over sleek zari weaving. Just striped zari weaving, which makes it a just those who like to wear simple, smart sari. For this sari is all over this checked, golden checked is going on, running dipping, but I think you can wear different varieties of printed, whether it is ajrak, whether it is kalamkari, you can wear different light color printed blouse with it, and that will be more beautiful. What a beauty. This is just a smart sari. It has another color. I am just showing both the colors. See, 15th August is coming, and you can stock this type of white sari, white khadi cotton all over. Nothing is there, but it is everything. See, sleek, this golden weaving is going on. There is pom pom border here, running blouse piece in white, but you can wear any sort of blouse, any color, any brocade, whatever you like. Okay, these are in the range of 890. 890 is the price for this one. Moving towards another khadi, it is also very famous and single color. Other colors are not available in market. Only single color, single design, like a, see, box style palla, silver weaving all over the sari. Very bright, very smart. You for office wear as well as any type of, also in function also you can. This is fully weaving, not at all any. This is the back. Okay, blouse piece will also come in the running format all over the sari. In both sides the striped border, I am showing you closely, in both sides the striped border and this type of weaving in the body. 890 for this. pure khadi cotton 890. Now moving towards two pieces of jamdani weaving, semi silk jamdani. These are semi silk all over Madhubilata style. These are very popular now, actually a viral piece these are, and you can wear it in any sort of functions and easy to wear, soft at all, as well as blouse pieces there running. I'm showing you two colors I'm just showing today. Yes, other colors can be possible. Okay, this is one side, this is another side, this is weaving. Okay, Madhubilata weaving, this is the full palla. This is the full palla, Madhubilata weaving is there, and see the blouse piece all over weaving. Okay, and this is the full look of the sari. It is in the range of 1540 now. Price drops 1540 now. Another piece in cream or beige, it is again, its price also drops. It is now 1480. It is all over Madhubilata. It is not half and half style or in all over body work is there. 1480 now, all over. The color is just light cream is the color, on with zari weaving all over with minakari zari weaving. Okay, this is the palla. This will comes in blouse piece all over the sari. Isn't it a party wear? It's a party wear. You can wear it easily in party. Moving towards few pieces of ikat weaving. These are bafta, silk bafta, Chanderi silk bafta with sequins. Just a smart sari for the smart ladies who have to wear just any silk style saris, or throughout the day you have to just hold wear it, then this can be your alternate. Zari border, beautiful soft texture is this, and the dripping is seriously beautiful. See, this is all over weaving, and here sequence weaving is also there in this part. This is ikat weaving running blouse piece. I think for this type of sari you should make its own blouse, then the look will be perfect. Okay, and this is in the range of only and only 1450. 1450 for this beauty. This is bafta, silk bafta, and yes, of course, it is not pure one, but this is the pleat. See the pleats, how beautiful the pleats are. Okay, and the color is also all three colors. I will show you two more colors. All are in the same range, same quality. There are two more colors. I am just showing you the color. Otherwise, the video will be too long. This is another color. It is not exactly mustard. It is in between a color. Mustard with brownish shade, an offbeat color, and the third one, it is the pink. Okay, I'm just showing you, this is the color, this is the piece. Okay, all are in the same price. Now moving towards the not, yes, it may be the last saree for this. Oh, another beauty I want to show you first, then I will move towards this. This is a pure checked cotton zari border with piping. It is a designer piece, and single piece is available, new piece will not come. It will not be available in multiple pieces. You will only wear it. It is just, see, white is the background on which machine embroidery is done. Only that reason I think the price is low. Otherwise, this type of sari, see, all over this Gujarati style machine embroidery, checked cotton piping border, and see, this is the beauty. Madhubani, this is patchwork is done with Madhubani, and this part it is Tasar Madhubani, which is just applied here. Okay, blouse, no blouse piece is there. You can wear just a red blouse with it, and all over the sari, no gap is there. This embroidery is going on. It's special. It's special. Only single person will get it. No other place is there, and the range only and only 1580. Don't miss it. Just 1580. And last, I will conclude with a cotton silk uh, Madhubilata tissue weaving 890. 890 cotton silk, actually handloom cotton silk, these are called tissue weaving Madhubilata. Pocket friendly but gorgeous. Or daily, if you have to just daily wear, you can easily have it. Running, this is the contrast blouse piece. All over the sari, this weaving is going 890. That's all for today. If you are interested, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418.